The Adventures of Sammy the Sneezing Elephant. Once upon a time, in a jungle far, far away, there lived a very special elephant named Sammy. Now, Sammy had a peculiar problem. Whenever he sneezed, something hilarious would happen. And every time Sammy sneezed, the jungle turned into a topsy-turvy place. "Whoa, this is bananas! Sammy, stop sneezing!" "Sorry, guys, I can't help it." This sneezing elephant sure knows how to have fun." Sammy's sneezes make the jungle go wild. It's like a circus. The animals of the jungle soon realized that Sammy's sneezes made their days full of laughter and fun. Well, I guess being a sneezing elephant isn't so bad after all. And from that day forward, Sammy's sneezes became a cherished part of jungle life, bringing joy, laughter, and endless adventures. And so, the jungle remained a wacky, wonderful place, thanks to Sammy the Sneezing Elephant and his contagious laughter. The end.